Have you ever wondered how the future of healthcare might look with the integration of artificial intelligence? Well, that future may be closer than you think. Today, we're seeing a growing interest in the potential of AI to revolutionize healthcare. At the forefront of this wave is artificial intelligence chatbots like ChatGPT that are proving to be more than just digital assistants. Imagine a world where AI is your first point of contact when you feel unwell. Instead of searching your symptoms online and spiraling into a rabbit hole of terrifying diagnoses, you could chat with an AI. It would ask you questions, consider your responses, and give you an informed suggestion about what might be wrong. Sounds futuristic, right? But it's happening now. ChatGPT, for instance, has shown promise in diagnosing eye-related complaints, performing comparably to human doctors and even outperforming symptom checkers on popular health websites. It uses large language models to interpret patient symptoms, making it a potentially invaluable tool for healthcare professionals. However, as with any disruptive technology, the integration of AI into healthcare isn't without challenges. Concerns about accuracy, interpretability, bias, and data security are among the issues being debated by stakeholders. These challenges highlight the importance of establishing best practices and rigorous testing to ensure patient safety as AI continues to develop in the healthcare sector. So, as we delve deeper into this topic, consider how AI might revolutionize the way healthcare professionals diagnose and treat illnesses. This intersection of AI and healthcare is not just a possibility, it's a reality that's unfolding before our eyes. And it's a journey we're excited to explore with you. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the world of AI in healthcare. Let's examine a real-life instance of AI application in healthcare. In the field of ophthalmology, a study was conducted by Dr. Riley Lyons, a fourth-year resident at Emory University School of Medicine. This study aimed to evaluate the accuracy of the AI chatbot ChatGPT in diagnosing eye-related complaints. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is a cutting-edge example of the intersection of artificial intelligence and healthcare. Dr. Lyons' study found that ChatGPT performed admirably even when compared to human doctors. It's a significant finding, considering the complex nature of ophthalmological diagnosis. When pitted against the symptom checker on WebMD, a familiar tool to many of us, ChatGPT outshone its competition, showcasing the potential of AI in this critical field. But it's not all about the competition. The real winner here is the potential patient. Imagine the possibilities of having a reliable AI-powered tool at your fingertips, capable of providing an initial checkup or guiding you towards the right medical professional. However, it's crucial to remember that while AI holds immense potential in healthcare, it also carries certain risks. Critics express concerns about privacy, safety, bias, and liability. They question the transparency of AI systems and worry about potential commercial exploitation. The developers at OpenAI themselves advise caution, warning against using their models for serious medical conditions without professional oversight. This cautionary note underscores the need for rigorous testing and regulation of AI chatbots. Despite these considerations, the technology is already being widely used, and its influence in the medical field is growing. This case illustrates the potential of AI in healthcare, but it also raises essential questions about safety, privacy, and regulation. Like any technological advancement, the integration of AI into healthcare presents both opportunities and challenges. To start with the brighter side, AI has the potential to greatly increase efficiency within the healthcare sector. Leveraging AI can streamline processes, automate routine tasks, and assist in complex decision-making. For instance, AI-powered chatbots like ChatGPT can handle initial patient interactions, freeing up valuable time for medical professionals to focus on more critical tasks. Moreover, AI increases accessibility to healthcare. With AI, healthcare isn't confined to the four walls of a hospital or a clinic. AI-powered apps and chatbots can provide preliminary diagnoses or mental health support right from the comfort of your home at any time. This democratization of healthcare has the potential to reach populations who otherwise might not have access to quality healthcare. However, as we embrace these opportunities, we also need to address the challenges that come along. One of the main concerns is accuracy. While AI models like ChatGPT have shown promising results, they are still not infallible. Misdiagnoses or incorrect advice can have serious consequences, and this risk is amplified when dealing with more complex medical conditions. Interpretability, or the ability to understand how an AI model reaches its conclusions, is another challenge. This is especially important in healthcare, where understanding the why behind a diagnosis or treatment recommendation can be just as important as the what. Bias is a further issue. AI models learn from data, and if that data reflects existing biases, the AI will perpetuate these biases in its recommendations. This could lead to disparities in healthcare outcomes for different patient groups. Lastly, data security is a pressing concern. With AI integrated into healthcare, massive amounts of sensitive patient data are at risk. Ensuring this data is securely handled and stored is paramount. Balancing these opportunities and challenges is crucial to successfully incorporating AI into healthcare. After all, in this delicate field where lives are at stake, we must ensure that the benefits of AI truly outweigh its potential risks. Scene script. Let's take a look at another application of AI in the field. We shift our focus to the tech industry, where New Relic, a renowned software analytics company, has made significant strides with a generative AI assistant called New Relic Grok. This innovative tool uses OpenAI's language models to simplify observability for engineers. You may wonder what observability means in this context. It's a term used in software engineering to describe the ability to infer a system's internal states based on its external outputs. In simpler terms, observability helps engineers understand what's happening inside a system when they observe it from the outside. Enter New Relic Grok. This AI assistant is designed to make this process more efficient and accessible. It allows engineers to use natural language prompts for tasks such as troubleshooting, setting up instrumentation, and generating reports. Imagine being able to ask your system in plain English why a particular error is occurring or how to optimize a certain process. Grok makes this possible. It uses machine learning to understand and respond to these prompts, effectively acting as a bridge between the human engineer and the complex software systems they manage. And there's more. New Relic Grok also incorporates MLOps capabilities, which is a practice of combining machine learning and operations. This innovative blend of chat AI and machine learning enhances operations, making it easier for engineers to manage and optimize their systems. What's truly exciting about this is its potential for democratizing access to data and insights. By simplifying complex processes and making them accessible through natural language prompts, New Relic Grok can empower more people to understand and engage with their systems. And while this is currently being applied in the tech industry, the potential implications for healthcare are vast. Imagine a world where medical professionals can interact with healthcare systems in a more intuitive and efficient manner, using natural language to troubleshoot issues, set up new processes, or generate reports. This could free up time for more patient-focused care and potentially lead to better health outcomes. This example underscores the potential of AI to democratize access to data and insights in healthcare. As we've seen, AI's role in healthcare is already taking shape, but what does the future hold? The advancements in artificial intelligence are rapidly transforming the healthcare landscape, making the once unimaginable a reality. In the foreseeable future, we can expect AI to play a significant role in preventive healthcare. By analyzing patterns in patient data, AI could potentially predict health issues before symptoms even begin to manifest, leading to early interventions and better health outcomes. Moreover, the future could see the rise of virtual AI doctors, capable of diagnosing diseases and providing treatment recommendations, much like the ChatGPT we discussed earlier. These AI doctors could be accessible round the clock, democratizing access to healthcare and serving as an invaluable resource in regions with a shortage of healthcare professionals. However, this bright future comes with its own set of challenges. The accuracy of AI predictions and diagnoses will be critical. Incorrect predictions could lead to unnecessary interventions or misdiagnoses, potentially endangering patient safety. Therefore, rigorous testing and regulation of AI systems will be paramount. Additionally, issues around data security and privacy cannot be overlooked. Ensuring the confidentiality of patient data in an era where AI systems learn from this very data will be a challenge that needs to be addressed. Finally, there's the question of bias. AI systems learn from the data they're trained on. If this data is biased, the AI systems could perpetuate these biases, leading to unequal healthcare outcomes. Therefore, as we move towards this AI-driven future, it's crucial for stakeholders to establish best practices to ensure patient safety and equitable healthcare. The need for a robust ethical framework for AI in healthcare is more pressing than ever. As we venture into this new era of healthcare, it's clear that AI will play a fundamental role in shaping the industry's future. The journey promises to be an exciting one, filled with incredible possibilities and important challenges to overcome.
As we conclude our journey today at AI Future Hub, remember that you've stepped into the future where artificial intelligence shapes possibilities. Hope you've benefited from our cutting-edge content. If you haven't subscribed yet, now is the time. Show your support by hitting that like button. Share our videos and spread the future. Don't miss your chance to be with us again on this journey by subscribing, liking, and sharing. Until next time, keep exploring the future with us.